Hey you guys, adding and subtracting decimals. So this is the main event for the week. Adding decimals, the thing you really need to remember with this is to make sure that your dot point or your decimal is lined up when you're adding and subtracting. Otherwise, it's just adding and subtracting. Obviously, you shouldn't be using your calculator with this. We're looking at small numbers. This should be nice and easy for you to do. The question won't always be written in columns and it won't always have the exact same amount of decimal places. So wherever you have gaps, it's a really good idea to fill in with zeros. So let's just see how we go having a crack at this. Pause the video and everyone have a go at doing these three additions. Remember, when you do the first part, so 3 plus 5 is 8. Don't forget to get worked up in the rest of your thing. Straight away, put in your decimal point and then 1 plus 0, okay? So you should have 1.8. I've done question 1 because I just got too excited there. Can everyone pause this video and have a go at question B and C? Pause! Okay, good. So let's have a look at B and C. So we had 12.84 plus 2.33. All right, 4 and 3 is 7. 8 and 3 is 11. Put your extra 1 up here. I don't know why you can't see it there. They're crazy. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. And bring down your 1 and you've got 15.17. Okay. The same goes with this third one. 0, 0 and 6. 5 and 4 is 9. 2 and 1 is 3. 7, 3 and 1 gives us 11. Okay? The thing you need to make sure you're doing through every step is putting in the decimal spot. Good job. Well done. So the next question is rewrite into columns, then add 0.26, 1.8 and 12.214. Okay, now this is what I was talking about with adding in the 0. Most of you would have just written straight away 0.26, okay, and then you would have gone to put in your 1.8 over here. Put in the decimal point first and then put in the 1.8 around it and then your 12.214. Now, these zeros, oh gosh, I can only highlight so many. These zeros aren't here in the numbers up here. They've just added them in as little placeholders. It makes it so much clearer to do that sum when you've got those zeros there in place. Okay? So this is 0.26. 0.260 is exactly the same number. You can add as many zeros in there as you want. It's not going to change. Okay? That could be 0, 0, 0, 0.26000000. So add those up, okay, and you should have got, oh, thanks Mr. Rolls, and you should have got 14.274, okay. Let's have a look at subtracting decimals. It's the same thing, okay. If you can subtract regularly, you will be fine. So 0.56 minus 0.14, 6 take away 4 gives me 2, 5 take away 1 gives me 4, and 0 take away 0 gives me 0. Okay? Oh. These two have been made a little bit more difficult. Alright? So you will have to fill in your gaps. Oh, we didn't have to with the first one. But 2 take away 7, you can't do that. You borrow 1 from the 8, so that becomes a 7. And now that's 12 take away 7, which is 5. 7 take away 5 leaves me with 2, and 1 take away 0 leaves me with 1. Okay? The second question, 1 take away 0 leaves me with 1. 4 take away 5, you can't do it. Borrow 1 from the 6 and that becomes a 5. And then we've got 14 take away 5 leaves me with 9. 5 take away 8, we can't do that. We need to take away 1 from the 2. And that becomes 15, take away 8, leaves me with 7. And then that should have been crossed out and made into a 2. And we got 1 take away 0 leaves me with 1. All right. That's all. Now there's going to be some activities for you to have a go at. So we're going to start with some of these. There'll be some extension questions at the end, which will be these worded questions. That is my reminder that I have to go to my meeting. Have a lovely day. Bye.